In this video, I'll show you how to close apps on your iPad Air 5th generation from 2022. So let's say I have opened a few apps. Let me open a few and close them. Okay, so I have a few apps opened in the background. How do you close them? Well, it's very easy. All you have to do is to whatever you are on your iPad, you can even be using, let's say, an app. You just need to swipe up from the bottom here where you see a line. So I'm gonna swipe, and you don't need to swipe till the top of the screen, just till the middle of the screen, and then release. And here you're gonna see all the apps that are open in the background, and there can be many of them. To close one of them, it's very easy. All you have to do is to swipe up by pressing the app and swiping up and releasing it. Do this for as many as you want. You can even do two at a time with 2 fingers. So you can close them much faster. But unfortunately, there's no button where you can close them all, and that's all. You have to do it manually. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one.